Hello and welcome to Cloudy Math. Today I want to show you how to find slope using graph and the formula. The definition of slope, it is a number that describes both the direction and the steepness of the line. And there are four types of slope. First is positive slope. From the left to the right, it is going upwards. Negative slope. From the left to the right, it is going downwards. Zero slope. It is a horizontal line, which is parallel to x-axis. Undefined slope. It is a vertical line, and which is parallel to y-axis. How do we find the slope using graph? We can use rise over run. The rise is how many units up or down. If it is going up, then the numerator is a positive number. If it is going down, the numerator is a negative number. Run is how many units to the right. And the denominator is always going to the right, and it is a positive number. Let's look at this graph. It is given 2 points, and from the left point to the right point, it is going 2 units up and 4 units to the right. So the slope is 2 over 4. Let's look at the first example. Determine the slope of the line. This graph giving 2 points, and we can count the box to find the slope. From the left point to the right point, it is going 8 units up and 10 units to the right. So slope is rise over run. Since it is going up, so the numerator is positive 8, and denominator is always positive number, 10. And then we simplify this fraction, which is 4 over 5. We can see the difference between the first example and the second example is there is no point on this line. So first, we need to find 2 good points. The good points means when the point is on the corner of the box, like this. If the point is in the middle of the box, then it's a not good point. And in this line, here is a good point. This is good point. This is good point. This and this is also a good point. Since we only need 2 good points, I select these 2. Now we can count in the box from the left point to the right point. It is going 2 units downwards and 1 unit to the right. We know the slope is rise over run since it is going downwards. So the numerator is negative 2 and denominator is 1. And simplify, we get negative 2. How do we find slope using formula? The slope formula is changing in y over changing in x. And we can represent the changing in y as delta y. Changing in x we can rewrite as delta x. And how can we find the delta y? It is the difference between the y2 minus y1. And similar, we can find the difference between x is a x2 minus x1. Let's look at this example. A line passes through 2 points, negative 4, 6 and 8, 2. We know the slope formula is changing in y over changing in x, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So step 1, we need label. We need label which is x1, which is x2, and y1, y2. Step 2, solve. Now we can just substitute the value into this formula, and we have m equals 2 minus 6 over a minus negative 4. And then simplify, which gives us negative 4 over 12 equals negative 1 over 3. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will update algebra tutorial every week, so see you in the next video.